Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technical Issue. Today I am going to show you how to make veg biryani recipe in our home. Let's go while we have to go late. Ingredients: 1 capsicum, 2-3 chilies, 2 potatoes, 3 onions and 2 tomatoes and cut it in small pieces. Next, take a half kg of biryani rice, coriander leaves and take a garlic paste, boiled cauliflower and also potato also cut it. Let's start the recipe. 1 tablespoon of oil and next 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, next 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, next mix it. After mixing, next we have to put 4 chilies. The chilies must cut in needles. After putting chilies, put the 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. After putting all that, mix and put all the vegetables. Capsicum. Next, capsicum after mix it. After that, onion. After onion, mix it all. After mixing it, next tomato. Tomato after potato. You have to mix it all and next put the cauliflower potatoes. After putting potatoes, you have to put the cauliflower. Next, here we have to contain the flames downside. After that, now we have to put the cauliflowers. After putting cauliflower, mix it and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You have to put 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and you have to you eat too much spicy means you have to put 3 spoons of chili powder, not means 2 spoon of red chili powder. Next, half tablespoon of turmeric. Mix it well all. Put some taste aside salt and next put the cleaned veg biryani rice. After putting it, mix it all nicely. After mixing, sometimes you have to mix it cleanly. After mixing it, next you have to put water. How much water you put to rice, that like only have to put the water. After putting water, have to keep the cooker up to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it can be ready. See here, I am putting it. After all, once time you can open and see I put coriander and you can again leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After the 15 minutes it become ready and you can see how nice it is.